Right guys, so Ed Shed's video, Mark 1. Now, as I've mentioned a few times, the Pinion oil seal is leaking like a sieve on this car. And obviously, I know I need this car. Now I think she's not leaking at the moment because there's no oil left in her, but we do have an issue and it's leaking pretty bad from that spline. Now, I think you all can see what the issue is. It's the seal gone here. Now, I don't know what axle is in this car. I don't know. So at the moment, what I'm going to say is I'm going to take it out. And my main aim is take it out. And then obviously I'm going to replace it. Now I do have to have one ready in stock. So first protocol is to drop the prop shaft off. And then mark with the centre punch the centre of the nut and the location where it's actually going to fit. So I'm going to centre punch this to this to get the mark here, so I know that's the same place. I'm also going to centre punch the centre of the nut to the possibly the outside of the nut. So when I brought it back up, it goes back in the right place. Now this is actually been greased, so see that's quite nice. That's been greased as well. I'm also going to have a look at why the speedo cable on the sides. It doesn't want to work. And I'm also going to have a look. I think that's it. Other than that, it should do pretty good. So it's been painted underneath there. Look at detail, look at how nice that is all up under there. So I'm going to turn you upstairs and say, you don't want to see any of the bolts because it's just be boring. So for the minute, I'll turn you off and say, we've still got the end of seals to do, but that's obviously a job for maybe tomorrow or whatever, as long as this pinion seal works out okay. If it doesn't, well then, to be continued. For the minute, I hope you get it. If you're doing it, keep watching. I'll show you a bit more when I go a bit further on. I won't be doing it because I can't video it and do it. So I won't be doing it like Ed China. I'll be doing it like Ed. Okay guys. First headache. Weight of the axle coming down, push the spline back in, can't get the flange off. So I've got to lift the wheels up. So I've got to let it back down again. And I'm going to let the thing down, possibly put it onto the stand, or maybe drop it down onto the, maybe put it down to the jack so I can take the, I'm going to put it down to the jack so I can take the weight off the prop shaft. It would never normally be like this in a normal situation, so it's just because the axles come down and forward, it's closed the gaps up. So there you go, just more hassle. But anyway, just a quick update on that, showing you life's not going quite there I want it to be. Right guys, sorry about this, Ed China, we haven't got a light, we ain't got a light, the light's not very good. So yeah, so the seals are different, they've changed the seals over the years. So we've marked it and the pre-tension should be the same. We can go a little bit over tight, we can't go under tight. We need, because it's obviously got a lot of wear in it anyway. It was a bit of a bugger to get on, and it was also a bastard to get that seal back in. So Lee now is about to surgically strike with his hammer, the biggest hammer, Harry. Go on, Harry, back her on, because we had to don't want to thread them. Now go, that's it. Now go round it like equally. Just for the sort of people who have never done something like this, I will just mention that we haven't actually done it right. We've done a few things we should have done differently. We should have actually lubricated that seal slightly, but we didn't, so it doesn't really matter. That's what I like to say. You know, hell, in for a tenner, in for a pound. Now, I'm going to put my foot on the brake, and Lee is going to tighten it back up. Now, obviously, that we're going to angle the camera here so you can see it, hopefully. Or you might want to see it. If you don't want to see it, don't look, because it's going to be really painful. Right, you ready? I'll put your foot on the brake. You do the...
Did you give me a ratchet?
I'm going to give you a ratchet now, so give me a second. You can't expect everything just to land in your lap. Sometimes stuff dry.
No,
Where you want to be?
Here we go.
Okay. Well, that's not actually bad, really. What we managed to do there, you do ratchet. And the ratchet I wanted is missing. It's the ratchet I wanted has gone missing. Bloody amazing that we lose so many bloody tools. Bloody shit. There you go. There's a little short one. You know where those seals should be, don't you?
In the bed.
Very good.
You were the one that was playing with them.
I never touched on it.
Yes, you did. You went over and you went, oh, we got the right seal there.
I only put it over the top of the flag.
We need Jeremy Clarkson.
Yeah, I didn't. He's got the right. He's got the right idea, Jeremy. He didn't have to do this, did he?
Just actually watched a bit of Clarkson's farm last night.
Did you?
Yeah.
And what did he say?
It's quite funny.
I know it's all staged, isn't it? I mean, it's not real life like here. It's like he's almost like he's just a screaming frontman for the stunts that they do. You know, we unfortunately.
Well, there wasn't there was no Top Gear-esque stunts that were going on.
Is it going up tight? I'll put the bottom of the brake.
Okay, so I just tighten it
Yeah.
to the same mark.
You're joking?
No.
Well, let me locking the brakes off.
No. I'm saying, so I just tighten it to the same mark, yes?
And it's gone tight, yeah?
No, yes.
Yeah. Tighten it to that same mark. Brakes are on.
Good, keep the brakes on.
Is it going? I don't like the silence. Communicate with me. Tell me whether you
Yeah, we're there.
We're there.
Yeah, no, it's on the mark.
You've got a little Nat's cock past it.
Alright, I will.
I mean, I'm talking to Nat's cock.
Well, I
That's it.
yeah, it didn't go in any tighter.
Right, okay, that's fine. Oh, right, now but the flange won't go back on, will it?
Oh, what the?
That prop's not going to go back on that. Push it back in.
Oh, does it come out at the front?
It couldn't come out with
It has come forward at the front. There we go.
Can you get that?
Do you want the long or the short answer?
Well, the answer is we have the same issue with you've got to take the weight onto it to get the prop back in.
Can we get a block of wood and a jack and try and jack?
I actually tried that and it lifted the car, kept the car forward. The best way to do would be to come down with the car if we can and put the.
Well, do you want to?
What do you think about
Chuck the red stands under the back of it and just see if we can drop it down slightly to see if we can take the weight off the back. It'll only lift off the back, won't it?
Yeah.
But should stay on the front.
Yeah,
I moved it this side.
Give me that oil drum out front of there, because you don't need that.
You're more concerned about getting the oil drum out than you are getting me out.
You're going.
Well, I'm moving out from underneath it while you lower the thing.
Camera.
Sure.
It's got you. We're recording everything you do.
Yeah, safety measures.
Yeah, health and safety. Health and safety.
Health and safety.
Right, we're coming down. Ladies' underwear, ground floor.
Father Christmas's safety advisor.
Ladies' underwear, ground floor. It's down. The lift has decided to jump sideways, and this is what it did. That's why I distinctly just didn't want to go on anymore. You don't let that jam in. No. We can go back up again. You go back. No, it was here. It was there. It's catching. Yours was there and mine was here. So I've got no air left. Go on, low down. Let yours down. So it does. Whoa. I'd sort of try and stop it right there. That's the sort of stuff that real car enthusiasts have to do. If I get millions of subscribers and like somebody wants to subscribe to me a new lift, then I'll be so bloody happy. I need plastic surgery to get a smile on my face. But I don't think it's going to happen, do you?
Right, so
It won't go in.
no, we're not in line.
You need to really leave her in.
No, I've got it up on the flange, but we're not in line for a bolt.
Why?
Just purely because we're not in line for a bolt.
Well, right, hold on. You will be if I take it out of gear. I put it in gear, didn't I? You're right. I worked it into gear because I thought if I put it in gear, right. So now you should line up. Your bolts are behind you, and your spanners are there to it. And if this works, you know what I'm going to say? We got to find the thing to put some gear on it, which we got. Or we can do the gear. I'll do the gear on tomorrow at my leisure. I'll leave you for the minute, Lee. I'll leave it just recording for posterity. You under the car with a head torch. You become me.
Have balance.
You become me. You become the destroyer of cars.
Yeah, that's it.
It's, and you know what they say? It's Friday night. It was 5 to 5, and we missed Crackerjack. Remember that? You don't remember that? You were too young.
Yeah.
When I was a kid, that's what they used to say. Well, I'm glad we done it. That was one thing that needed to be done, wasn't it? And if you've got an adjustable spanner under there, I'll turn the handle to the pump, and we can pump the oil into the gearbox, the back diff. You've got gloves on, haven't you?
I have, yeah.
Yeah, well, I'll find an adjustment. I'll get some gloves on myself and give it a go.
What we could also do is...
Who greased the prop shaft and all that?
I don't know.
Somebody did.
Yeah, I can see there's loads of grease.
Luke loves greasing things.
Luke got greased up, did he?
Yeah, Luke loves greasing.
Luke was up in the shade, he was
Luke
all greased up.
So yeah, but you know,
He works with plant though, doesn't he? So obviously,
well, he used to, didn't he? So
it's obviously like greasing second nature.
Yeah, grease nipples are a second nature.
He loves getting the grease done out.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to say, I mean, really, you know, that was the last thing on the agenda that needed to be done. And with that done,
One of these one of these bolts, awfully short.
Can't now. Look, it lasted. It went the other day. How far did it go? Did about 300 miles.
You see here.
I can't believe it. You've done your first ever pinion oil seal.
I have.
Yeah. You're now the pinion. You become the pinion oil seal master. Now, I'm going to get some gloves on. I might get that pair of gloves on because I hate waste. I'll get the pump. I'll get an adjustable spanner to get the bloody thing out the back. And let's fill it up with oil and gear. Look guys, I bet you're impressed. Right, well, yeah, how you doing? Don't go too cold now. Right, now come under here and open that thing at the back.
After a full day's work, I was up at the crack of dawn.
You were up with Dawn?
I was up at the crack of dawn, full day's work, and then I get called up
An emergency.
Grumpy McNugget over here. Going on about how we all had enough. And next thing you know, I'm rolling around on the floor.
You know, I don't know if there's enough gear on it. Don't worry now.
So,
don't try not to get underneath it.
yeah,
so
I'm
it's
trying
good.
because I don't obviously want to get covered in gear oil.
No,
But
you
the
don't.
car's awfully low right now.
I think we have got a bit of gear on it now.
What, along with all the dust and crap that's...
No, that's where the thing goes. There's no dust in that. Oh, bit of dust in the gear will never hurt anybody. When I was young, that's how I used to shut the cars up. They used to knock like buggery. Bit of sawdust until you sold it. It was someone else's problem then. At least, God, I never had one ever come back and complain.
It's because the car wouldn't go anywhere, that's why.
Well, now that you got to turn that lever straight.
Okay, but
And watch me. Ready?
what level am I looking
It'll
at?
come out. Ready?
Oh, there we go. Yeah, there's a work.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll start running out. When it starts running out, turn it off on the tap on the thing.
I get
And
it.
then that just shows how much gear it's lost.
Yeah, that's quite bad.
It lost all of it out of that pinion seal. Remember, I haven't filled it out since we did that. Since we did that thing down to pull.
We're good, we're good.
Right, okay, right. Just lock it off. Lock it off and get the thing in there quick and try not to get it on you. I'll put it back in here with the dust and the grease. I think for the benefit of our viewers, that is how you fill up the differential using one of these old-fashioned gear oil dispensers, usually reserved for Noah's Ark, because Noah had one of those. He used to use it regularly. Bloody good bit of kit, that, I'll tell you.
It's not the only one you've got, is it?
It is the only one I got, yeah.
Is that I thought you had another one?
No, I've got a Red X dispenser, original glass Red X dispenser. So yeah, that's brilliant, that Red X thing. So guys, that's it. That's let's have a quick look under there. Look, that is what you do. You do that, do this, do that, bang that, put that together. Job's good, and it's finished. So, as I said before, remember, what are we doing this for again? Right, so anyway, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for giving us some feedback. Please give us some feedback. Tell us we did it all wrong and we should have built it out of aluminium. But other than that, brilliant. Talk to you soon. Bye.